In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge two Google Forms. To get started, open Google Forms in your browser and choose the form you want to use as your main form. This is the form that will stay open while you bring content in from another form. It helps to pick the newer form or the one that already has your preferred title, theme, and settings, since the questions you import will be added into it. Once your main form is open, look along the right side of the form editor. You will see a vertical set of tools for adding content. Find the option called Import Questions. The icon looks like a rectangle with an arrow. Click that Import Questions icon to open the Import panel. A new window will appear showing a list of your available forms. From this list, select the older form or the form that contains the questions you want to merge into your main form. Take a moment here to confirm you are choosing the correct source form, especially if you have multiple forms with similar names. After you select the form you want to merge from, click Insert. After you click Insert, you will be taken back to your main form, and on the right side, you will now see a list of questions pulled in from the form you selected. This list is important because it lets you choose exactly what gets copied over. Nothing is added automatically until you select it, so you stay in control of what is imported. Now go through the list and select the questions you want to import into your current form. Choose only the questions you need, especially if the old form includes sections or items that no longer apply. As you select questions, they will be prepared for import into the main form. Once you have selected the questions you want, they will be brought into your main form, where you can reorder them and review the wording to make sure everything flows smoothly. It is also a good idea to quickly scan for duplicate questions, since merging forms can sometimes bring in items that overlap. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.